Ever wondered how to set up an automatic reply on WhatsApp Business so you never miss a message, even when you're not available? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps, and I'll even share a pro tip at the end that'll make your replies even more effective. First, make sure you have the WhatsApp Business app downloaded and open it on your phone. Once you're in, you'll be on the main screen where you can see your chat list. Now, tap the settings icon at the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Business Tools. Next, tap on Away Message. This is where the magic happens. Enable the Send Away Message option. You can schedule the message to be sent always so that it's automatically sent, no matter what. Now choose your recipients. You can set it to send to everyone or customize it to your liking. You can even personalize the message. WhatsApp provides a default message, but you can tweak it however you want. With this feature activated, even when you're not active, WhatsApp will send an automated reply to your clients, keeping them engaged while you're away. Once you're back, you can pick up the conversation right where it left off. Bonus tip. Here's a bonus tip. You can schedule these messages for specific times, like during holidays or weekends, ensuring your clients always feel heard, even when you're offline. How do you usually manage messages on WhatsApp? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more helpful tips. See you next time.